Hey, what's up guys? Chris here with ACN. Today I'm at SeaWorld San Diego. I haven't been here in more than a decade. I was here before Manta, so there's a lot to check out, a lot of new credits. Obviously I'm here for Emperor as well. Let's go check it out. They've redone the entrance since I was here last. It looks really nice. Got this like wave thing that goes across the top here. And yeah, just a beautiful day here in San Diego, California. Doesn't really get much better than this. And a lot more details here inside the gate. It's really cute. I like it. I don't even remember what it looked like before, but I don't remember it looking this nice. This is obviously like old news for everybody, but hey, I'm excited. Well, how nice it is to have an observation deck that works. Okay, where's the beer at? Beer, don't see it. All right.
I mean, that's I know it's closed.
Ah, okay, well, here it is, but they're closed. All right, I'm gonna try somewhere else. I got a new Mexican restaurant that's under construction. I know this is why you're watching. And we found Manta, but it appears to be closed, along with every other coaster still. Yeah, not sure if they are opening like a half hour after park opening or what's going on, but not a single coaster is running. It actually is running. I'm thinking it's just so light right now that they don't have a lot of people to go on the rides, so they're cycling them really infrequently. Well, lockers here are mandatory. We can't go on the ride with any bags or anything. They don't have cubbies like, I don't know, almost every other major park in the country. And I'm trying to figure this math out. It's $3 for 2 hours, but then it's $9 for 4. Yeah, that totally makes sense. What's up, SeaWorld? Yay, coaster! So Manta was a pretty intense family coaster. It was I liked it. Mock makes really good rides. It was a little bit weird though. I did like this weird like forward and backwards motion before the launch. There was like you were like in a tube with screens all around you. So I think they just kind of had it to give it something interesting while you watch the animation or something. I don't know. It was strange. But yeah, it was fun. It was a little rattly, but that's, you know, it's a 10-year-old coaster. And there's this really intense trim right before the second launch, which was kind of uncomfortable. But all in all, it was a fun ride. Huh. Well, that's good information. Just got off Journey and a little wet. It's a bit of a splash there. Yeah, it's fun. I like that first drop there, but the coaster sections are a bit rough, which tends to be the trend. Other than Emperor, which we went on before, and it was a lot of fun. I liked it more than Valraven. The first drop felt steeper than like a regular vertical drop on these coasters, and it was really nice pacing. Didn't have a mid-course, and a lot of fun. So we're gonna go check that out again, maybe dry off. One thing that's missing is the roof. I feel like I'm at California's Great America. Yeah. It's like the Batman of dive coasters. It's just really intense. Doesn't stop until the very end, so you don't get that mid-course suckage. And yeah, a lot of fun. Just guys, where's the roof? Come on in.
Where's the roof?
There's also a missed opportunity on theming. It's just over a bunch of gravel. It would have been nice if they had like some water features, maybe some fake icebergs or something. And yeah. So fun ride, but theming is lacking. I mean, this is a SeaWorld park. I expect better. This is like Six Flags light. I found the beer and they have an Emperor Hazy IPA. Ooh, gonna try that one out. Awesome. Cheers. Yay, coaster! I'm looking at this photo op here and I'm thinking to myself, now that's what the theming should have looked like, or something close. You gotta have the drop go into a tunnel and like go through a bunch of ice and all that. Oh well, it is what it is. Still a fun ride. All right, let's get on Electric Eel. There's no wait. The ride also hasn't opened today. One thing that's really nice is being able to walk around the park and drink a beer. Can't do that at most parks, so major points to SeaWorld for that. All right, let's go check out some non-coaster stuff. Tidal Twister is down. Unfortunately, some people just like to pad their list, so they'll count this as a credit, but I don't know, it looks like a glorified flat ride to me. Some people say that just because it's in Roller Coaster Database, it's a credit. I'm saying they're wrong, but what do you think? Something else they have here is one of the nicer Rapids rides that I've been on, Shipwreck Rapids. It's super nicely themed. Well, that's gonna do it for our trip to SeaWorld San Diego. Electric Eel never opened, so that's a bit of a bummer. We'll have to come back for that to get that credit. Right now, we're gonna head over to Belmont Park to get on a Giant Dipper. Let's go. All right, now here at Belmont Park to get on Giant Dipper. It's from 1925. It is one of 3 remaining prior insurance coasters. Yeah. I can't wait to get on it. It's been a long time. really cool is what they have in the gift shop, which is one of the original cars that ran from 1925 until 1976. If I was just a little bit older, I would have been able to ride this. Or actually a lot of bit older. Yeah. And a bunch of really cool old pictures. I love this one of what it looked like on opening day in 1925. And then this is the reopening in 1990 after it was saved by a bunch of coaster enthusiasts like us. It's on the National Register of Historic Places, National Historic Landmark, and historical site for the city of San Diego. Really awesome. It's been quite a while since I've been here. They've rebuilt the plunge building. It looks really nice. They kept this facade piece on the outside, but the entire building itself is all brand new. It's totally has a glass roof. It's glass all the way around, which is really nice. This building was really dark before, if I remember correctly. I got a couple rides on Giant Dipper. It was really, really fun. You really need to come out here to Belmont Park in San Diego. With that said, that's going to wrap it up for today's San Diego adventure. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.